lab junctions microprocessor, pH, conductivity, TDS, salinity, millivolt temperature meter, model LJ1615. With this instrument, parameters pH, conductivity, TDS, salinity, millivolt temperature, all measured in one machine. This is the front view of main instrument. Side view, back view, again side view. In this side view, on-off switch is available. With this instrument, supplied accessories are pH electrode, conductivity, TDS, salinity cell, three buffer bottles, 7 pH, 4 pH, 9.2 pH. And this is the instruction procedure for making buffer solutions. "12-volt adapter for main supply. Conductivity solution to calibrate conductivity, TDS, salinity. Temperature sensor. Stand. For hanging, pH electrode, conductivity cell, and temperature sensor. Instruction manual. With dust cover, warranty card, and software CD to interface with PC. Interfacing RS-232 interface cable. Now, how to install this microprocessor, pH, conductivity, TDS, salinity, millivolt temperature meter, model LJ1615. Now first, insert main supply. Like this. Now you have to connect temperature sensor. pH electrode. You have to first insert and twist like this, lock this. Conductivity, TDS, salinity cell. Now I am switching on the main machine. From this on off switch, main display ons. Now it shows temperature and standby. Now, how to calibrate this? In this is cal key, up and down key, escape and store key in one key, mode and standby key, menu for selecting parameters, print for printing result, enter for fading. In this, two parameters are this, mode and standby to be pressed 2 times. Again this 2 times. Now I am calibrating pH. You have to remove charger bottle like this way. First, I am inserting in this 7 pH. Now, this is the menu key. Press this. These are the parameters. If I am going, this is for changing date and time. This is for checking memory. Like this. Suppose again I am going to menu. Again going to menu. I am selecting parameters. This. Press enter. If you select pH, then it directly shows pH. Goes up. ORP, oxidation, reduction, precipitation if required. Conductivity, TDS, salinity, again pH. I am selecting pH. Then I am pressing enter. Now press this key. pH is selected. Again this key, main display. Now how to calibrate pH? Press cal key. If you want to calibrate temperature, then press enter. Again press enter. Suppose I am changing this to 25. Press enter. Escape key. Press main menu. It automatically goes to 25 after few minutes. Now I am calibrating pH. Now press cal key. This is the temperature. I am calibrating pH, then go up. This is pH. Press enter. Buffer 1. Buffer 1 is 7 pH. Press enter. It shows 7.0. Press again enter. 7.00. And go up. Buffer 2. Buffer 2 is 4 pH. Press enter. Suppose it is 3.83. Again press enter. Again press enter. 4 calibrates. If you goes up, then buffer 3, 9.2 is required. If you want to do 3-point calibration. In this meter, 2-point calibration and 3-point calibration facilities are available. Now pH is calibrated. Quote from back key. This is your pH result. Now this is in 4 pH. And now I am changing this to another sample, just like 7 pH. Refresh this like this way. Insert in 7 pH. Directly 7 shows. Now I am calibrating conductivity. Now I have to select from this key. Press for parameters, press enter. This is pH. This is ORP. This is conductivity, press enter. Now conductivity is auto selected. Now this is conductivity solution 1.000. Now press main display, press cal key. Conductivity, press enter. Now in this, 2 methods are available. One is by cell constant, next is by measure. You have to press enter on measure. Now it is showing 1184. You have to adjust that. You have to adjust 1000 Siemens, microsiemens. And press enter. Again check. It shows 1029 microsiemens of this conductivity solution. This is my sample at this time. Because conductivity changes according to temperature. Now this is the main display. If you have calibrate conductivity from conductivity solution, then TDS salinity defaultly calibrate. No need to calibrate TDS and salinity if you have calibrated conductivity. Then if you calibrate conductivity, then conductivity, TDS, salinity, RRR calibrated at a single time. Thanks.